For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The probe into the Delhi riots case has taken a new turn. Police investigations have revealed a link to Islamic preacher Zakir Naik. One of the key accused in the case, Khalid Saifi, had met Zakir Naik in Malaysia. Saifi is believed to be one of the key conspirators of the Delhi riots. He is also close to Omar Khalid and suspended Aam Aadmi Party councillor Tahir Hussain. A status report has been filed by the Delhi police in connection with the riots in the national capital. The status report says funds to spark riots have been traced back to Saudi Arabia. The police investigations have not revealed any name from where funding was received. Investigations show that the funds have been traced to an NRI in Singapore with connections in Saudi. The cops are also looking at the involvement of former Congress Municipal Councillor Ishrat Jahan. In this case, funds were said to be received from Ghaziabad and Maharashtra. Ishrat was also arrested by Delhi police in March for her involvement in the Delhi riots case. The investigations had been pending due to the coronavirus outbreak. The police are hoping to get more details of the money trail from Khalid Saifi's mobile phone. The mobile link could be extremely crucial to the Delhi riots probe. Police officials will be able to establish the money trail. Investigations could also reveal further details of Saifi's links to Zakir Naik. Police officials have already checked details of Saifi's passport. Investigations have established Saifi's travel history. Investigations reveal that he traveled to several foreign countries to meet people, including Zakir Naik. Police officials believe that the funds had been given to raise funds for the riots. Accused Ishrat Jahan and Khalid Saifi got funds from unaccounted channels. Police officials have already established a PFI link to the Delhi riots. Khalid Saifi had attended the January 8th meeting at Shaheen Bagh. On May 14th, India had requested the extradition of Zakir Naik. The fundamentalist preacher has lived in exile in Malaysia for more than 3 years. Zakir Naik faces charges of hate speech in India as well as money laundering. He is accused of acquiring $28 million worth of criminal assets to buy property in India. He has repeatedly denied the allegations leveled against him. India has struggled in garnering international support to extradite Zakir Naik.